Hotel Normandie is a historic boutique hotel located in the vibrant Koreatown district of Los Angeles, offering a unique blend of vintage charm and modern comfort. Originally built in 1926, the hotel has been carefully restored to preserve its classic architectural style while providing contemporary amenities for today's travelers. One of the hotel's biggest highlights is its prime location. Situated near Wilshire Boulevard, guests have easy access to public transportation, local restaurants, and cultural attractions. Popular spots such as the Wiltern Theatre, Griffith Observatory, and the Los Angeles Convention Center are all within a short distance, making it an excellent base for exploring the city. The hotel features 92 well-appointed rooms that combine vintage-inspired design with modern conveniences. Each room includes premium bedding, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and flat-screen TVs. Guests will also find thoughtful touches such as pillow-top mattresses, refrigerators, and designer toiletries, ensuring a comfortable and relaxing stay. Dining is another standout feature at Hotel Normandie. The property is home to popular on-site restaurants, including the well-known Castle's Hamburgers, where guests can enjoy classic American dishes. A coffee shop, bar, and lounge area provide additional options for relaxation and socializing. The hotel also offers a complimentary daily manager's reception, adding extra value to the guest experience. Additional amenities include a fitness center, concierge services, meeting facilities, and pet-friendly accommodations, making it suitable for a wide range of travelers. The hotel's cozy library and stylish common areas further enhance its boutique appeal. With its rich history, convenient location, and comfortable accommodations, Hotel Normandie stands out as a distinctive and memorable place to stay in Los Angeles. Whether visiting for business or leisure, guests can enjoy a unique atmosphere that captures the spirit of old Hollywood with modern-day convenience.